Hill from DoneRight Management. I'm going to do a quick video tutorial on the door entry system here at Silverpine Hideaway. Now this is a smart enabled DL system. I'm just going to put my hand on it. I'm going to enter my generic code, so that's not what yours is going to be. Okay, so now it's locked. I'm going to activate it. You can hear it unlock. And then enter. Now this door is set to actually lock in 30 seconds. So when you guys come in, it's going to automatically lock on its own. So if you're going in and out, just know that this system at this house is going to auto lock. So you'll need to re-enter your code when you come in and out, or just leave it cracked like this. And also make sure you have it shut all the way. It's kind of a sticky door. So make sure that you actually have it so that it'll actually automatically close. Otherwise, you're going to hear this sound. There it is. If you have any questions while you're staying here at Silverpine Hideaway, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number is 208-634-0030.